Big news coming in in fact, Sanjay Raut, who has raised questions, and this is in regard to the UBD Sena MP. They're fearing for General Naravane's life. This after leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, on Monday stirred up a storm by attempting to read excerpts from an unpublished book by the former Army Chief General on the Ladakh standoff between India and China in 2020. Wanting to quote his observations during the India-China clashes, which was interrupted, of course, by the Defence Minister first, followed by Kiren Rijiju, and finally by the Home Minister Amit Shah. Now, of course, it is Sanjay Raut who has now gone on to express his fears regarding the life of the Army General. Let's listen to what has been said.
मुझे अब डर लगता है जनरल मनोज नरवणे की सुरक्षा के बारे में। जिस तरह का मुद्दा सामने आया है तो सरकार मनोज नरवणे जी को जरूर किसी न किसी पकड़ में लाएगी, जैसे सोनम वांगचुक को लाया है। सोनम वांगचुक ने क्या कहा था कि भारत की ज़मीन चीन ने अपने कब्जे में ली है, तो उनको देशद्रोही ठहराए। अब जनरल मनोज नरवणे के साथ क्या होगा मैं बोल नहीं सकता हूँ। मनोज नरवणे को सुरक्षा बढ़ानी चाहिए।
Hey Sri, joining us to get us details. Of course, we just heard Sanjay Raut there fearing for the life. Now this is of the former Army Chief General. Take us through the details and drawing, parallels with Sonam Wangchuk there.
Well, absolutely. Quite a shocking remark coming in from Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray MP Sanjay Raut, who goes on to say that now the General M.M. Naravane should be provided with the security for the kinds of events that have unfolded in the parliament. We saw that how there was a massive ruckus in the parliament after Rahul Gandhi started speaking on the article that was published in the magazine that quoted the memoirs of the book that was written by General M.M. Naravane. However, that is yet to be published, and perhaps that is why, Sanjay Raut is saying that now General M.M. Naravane should be given a proper security. Not just that, but he has also drawn parallels so as to what had happened with Sonam Wangchuk, and now it could perhaps probably happen with M.M. Naravane as well. And now needs to be seen that this issue, where it escalates, definitely it is not going to stop. Congress party has already called a CPP meeting to further draw a strategy so as to how they are going to pick up this issue along with the Indo-US trade deal as well. So all eyes on the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. That's how Congress party is going to pick this issue, despite the fact that the government has been multiple times stating that this is not the way, according to the rule as well, that the leader of opposition cannot quote something which is already which is not published, in fact, and that is why there was a massive uproar in the parliament. We saw statements coming in from leaders like Kiren Rijiju. From the claims were also